big.
O may one sa may price.
My shorts divided. Leather shorts. Ay. Hello everyone, it's me, Louie Corpus. Today we're just gonna go to the market. We're gonna go to Beneco and pay the electricity bill. And we're gonna go buy a little grocery. So, let's go. So we're gonna pass by Upper Market Subdivision again. It's SM. It's UB. Let's go. We're gonna go there up Beneco. Oh. Okay, they're making stalls. So this is Beneco. Dito na ako. Hello everyone, we're going home. We have baby wipes. Ooh, baby wipes. Yes. Let's go. Thank you so much. We did a quick going down to the market to pay the electric bill. Thank you for watching. More blessings to all of us.